Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan writing from your photos in iPhone. So if you want to scan any text from the photos, you can do it pretty easily. You can take the photos or you can scan it from your previous photos. So I'm going to scan this text. So all I need to do is press and hold onto the screen. As you can see, it shows us I can select all or copy all. If I copy it, I can paste it anywhere. But if you cannot find this option on the Photos app, all you have to do is go to the setting option and go to General and scroll down and find this language and region option. Click it and scroll down and make sure the live text is toggled on. Make sure it's turned on. This way you can easily scan any text from the photo. So this is the video and I hope this is a helpful video for you. I'll see you guys in the next one.